Hey, Trevor here, and a quick update on Destiny. Now, a lot of you have picked this up already. I just want to let you know that your Destiny bonus bundle is now ready. Let me take you over to here. So this is a Destiny bonus bundle, and on this page, you've got all the bonuses that I promised you. There's the link there to register for the free webinar, which is going to be a coaching call where I'm going to give you the heads up on Destiny and show you what I've managed to do so far and hopefully get you started a lot more quickly. Email Marketing Magic, which is my email marketing training course, which is basically based on what I know about email marketing so far and how you can make the most out of your list, which is going to work perfectly with Destiny. Plus, as I said, I managed to get Jaykay, talked him into letting me give you Evolution, which is one of his previous courses. Fantastic course. You create your account for free using that link there. I've got a coaching webinar replay with me and Paul Nichols. There are some absolute diamond golden nuggets in that webinar replay, and I think it's just about an hour and 20 minutes long, so lots of content in there for you. Some details on Project Profit Academy, Pimper Live, then we've got commissions for newbies, plus I've thrown in an extra bonus now, Traffic Storm, which is how I use the traffic strategies that I use for getting traffic to my offers, etc. And rank, how I rank my videos on YouTube and how you can do the same. So there's your bonus bundle. Everything's all ready to go, and it is an absolute stonker. Now, if you haven't already got Destiny, so I'm thinking of the other one, Evolution. If you haven't already got Destiny, then the price is on a dime sale and it is going up. It's going to be going up all the way through. So please get that as soon as you can to make sure you lock in the very best price. But let me tell you that when you do get Destiny, the first thing that you're going to get from me as your bonus is you get obviously to register for the exclusive webinar, coaching webinar, and the date has been set for that. So if I just go over to here and we go click on register for the webinar there, then you're going to see that is set for August the 3rd at 1 p.m. in the UK, which is, I believe, 8 a.m. Eastern. There will be replays, and you'll be able to get the replay because you get this through my link. So that's part of your front end bonus. Okay, the coaching webinar is a no pitch, it's not a webinar where I pitch you something, it's just a coaching webinar. Also give you this email marketing advanced, Evolution, commissions for newbies, etc. But more importantly are the OTO bonuses. If you get OTO 2, which I highly recommend, then you're going to get this $497 FB Masters training program by Jaykay. This is a real world 497 training program, and you get that just because you got OTO 2 as an exclusive bonus through me. Okay, so make sure you pay attention when you're going through the funnel. And then OTO 3 is very, very popular. This is my brand new affiliate superhero program, which is 6 weeks of coaching, 6 weeks of group coaching with me. It's valued at $197. You're going to get this plus the replays, and you're going to get all of that absolutely free of charge when you get the OTO 3. Okay, so the OTO 3 of Destiny is going to get you my affiliate superhero. Those two OTOs, OTO 2 and OTO 3. If you can, if you've got the spare cash to grab them, you're going to get the best value ever, because it's, talk about treat yourself for the weekend. Crazy, crazy, crazy. 497 and 197, both real well value. And this is brand new. This hasn't even been released yet. So you're going to get that. So if you haven't already got it, then I do recommend that you get Destiny. It's an incredibly powerful system. I've seen the results that Jaykay's got with this. He's used tracking codes. It's absolutely 100% undeniable proof that he got the traffic using this system, and it's very, very clever. So I'm going to be setting up my own chatbots, as I said, and I'll be updating you those. But I just wanted to let you know that your Destiny bundle is now ready and waiting for you in the Warrior Plus purchase area when you grab through my link. Grab as soon as you can, guys, because the price is only going one way, and that is up. And I've got to say that Destiny is probably one of the most exciting things for traffic that you're going to see in a long, long time. And after this, it's going to be $47. So you really want to get in now. Well, I think it's just over $9 at the moment, and incredible value for what you get. Can't recommend it highly enough. Just get stuck in. Now, if you're not sure what it is and what it does and all that, just check the other videos on my page. If you're on YouTube, just go through to the link to look at my blog post, my review page, and you'll get all the information you need there. And just go and get it. Seriously, don't miss out on this one. It really is 100% quality, and it's going to make the world of difference to you and your potential for making money online and building your list and everything else that goes with that. So go and grab it now, guys, if you haven't already got it, and I'll speak to you soon. All the best, Trevor.